Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 65 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. This time I'm covering a lot of long-term charts that I think will provide an excellent perspective of what is coming. And if you wonder if the strong performance that we have seen in the last few days in the stock market and in some currencies, if you wonder what is the future for those moves, whether they are going to continue or not, you'll get full explanation in this video. I also claim that there is one chart in this video that I consider to be the most important chart in the world currently, and the analysis surrounding that chart and the markets related to it could provide an answer for what the markets are going to do for many years to come. I also think that that particular chart, that particular analysis is probably worth at least 10 times the value of a trial that you might or might not take of my service. I think that if you decide to take the trial, I'm pretty certain that you will not regret. This is a focus, the clip focuses on the Australian dollar, but you will see me introducing all the other charts that I cover in the long video. And if you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Wishing you pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. If you remember, I said to you in the last video that it is possible that something quite big is going on, and that was signaled by the yen. I still think so, and I think that using long-term charts I will be able, hopefully, to communicate to you the scale of change that I think is taking place and the way it is going to take us. Now, here are the charts that I have. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, and then gold, silver, light crude, heating oil, the euro bond, USD bond, the VIX, the Dow transportation average, the S&P 500, the S&P 100, the Nasdaq, the DAX, the CC40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, Italy's MIB, and I'll terminate the video with a look at IBEX 35 of Spain. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar weekly scale. And if the dollar is going for that sustained weakness, what's going to happen to the Australian dollar? Well, some of you are already familiar with this wave count, and I'll quickly go back to present the case for a surge in the Australian dollar against the US dollar, basically also something that will be reflected in a strong run in the precious metals. That is taken as one. That's the weekly scale going back to 1992. I take this to be an extremely long-term bottom. Yes, extremely long-term bottom. And we started a bull market that would last for many years. That is the first leg. That's one. That's two. That could be 1, 2, 3, 4. We are in a triangle. Basically, we are inside the third wave. But we could also take all of the price action from this spot up to here is 3, with this being 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Both of them can work because the fourth wave price action, whether of the lower scale or the higher scale, did not break the corresponding critical levels to be counted as a fourth wave. So we are on the right track here, taking this as a base that will send the Australian dollar way above 110. Absolutely way above 10. Okay, that is the general framework that we are working with. And now we'll see so remember, we don't know at this point in time whether this is the lower scale or the higher scale fourth wave, but it appears to me that all the elements are falling into place to take it as a clear fourth wave. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D. With all my question marks, that appears to be falling into place. Okay, A, B, C, D, and that's potentially also looking at an end. That's an A, B, C, D, E. Here I'm not terribly certain. I think that running above 106 will probably be a good, strong signal. And we are not very far. Look, we're just, 150 pips away from it. It's really not a big deal. But that will already constitute a pretty strong signal that we may have left behind a pattern that took on many months but reached termination here. And then the Australian dollar will just go up and up and up and up for months. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you're paying through money bookers, that should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, AlertPay, choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for, you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link, and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.